In today's video, pag-uusapan natin kung paano gumawa ng product bundle at upsells sa Shopify gamit ang Atlas AI 2.0. What's up guys? Ako si Ashley at kung naghahanap ka ng simple way para ma-increase yung average order value mo nang hindi nag-a-add up ng complicated apps sa custom code, this tutorial is for you. Atlas AI has made it incredibly easy to build bundle offers and smart upsells that actually make sense for your customers. Pwede mo nang pagsamahin yung mga products, magsulat ng persuasive copy at i-automate yung buong process directly na mismo sa loob ng Shopify store mo. All with the support of AI, so whether nagbebenta ka ng digital products, skincare, apparel, or supplements, papakita ko sa iyo kung paano gumawa ng maganda at optimized bundles na talaga nagko-convert. Let's get started. So first off, ano ba yung Atlas AI? Ang Atlas AI ay isang AI-powered website builder at product assistant na ginawa para talaga sa mga Shopify users. Tinutulungan ka nito mag-design, magsulat at mag-launch ng buong storefront mo automatically, including product pages, copy, and branding. Pero sa isa sa pinaka-underrated features nito ay yung ability niya na tulungan kang gumawa ng product bundles and upsells. Kompleto na sa descriptions, visuals, at layout suggestions all within minutes. So instead na magdagdag ka pa ng maraming Shopify apps o gumugol ng oras kapag tinetest ang designs, Atlas AI gives you a plug-and-play setup na gumagana agad out of the box. So pag-usapan natin kung bakit importante talaga yung product bundles and upsells. Kasi yung bundles and upsells, isa yan sa pinakamabilis na paraan para tumaas yung revenue mo without needing to find new customers. A product bundle lets customers buy multiple related items together at a small discount. For example, if you sell skincare, pwede mong i-bundle yung cleanser, toner, and moisturizer. Mas nakakatipid yung customer, tapos ikaw naman mas malaki yung kita mo per sale. Upsells, on the other hand, appear right before the checkout on the product page, like nagsasuggest ng matching accessory, refill pack, or upgrade sa mga malalaking size. Gumagana yung mga offers na to kasi tinutulungan nilang makakuha ng mas magandang results yung customer mo while boosting your profit margin. Atlas AI helps you create them automatically using smart logic and clean designs na swak sa brand mo. So let's get into how to do this. Okay, so ang first thing na kailangan mong gawin is i-install yung Atlas AI. Kung wala ka pang Shopify account, kailangan mo munang gumawa nun. May link kami sa description below para makapagsimula ka with a free trial ng Shopify store. Tapos after nun, papasok lang tayo dito and then click install. Once na ma-install yan, makikita mo na yung app na to sa app section na mismo. So, as you can see, nasa AI Store Builder na tayo. We'll go ahead and proceed. We'll click Shopify. Mag-add tayo ng isa sa mga products natin. You do have a product added. So, if you need to go do that, punta ka lang dito sa products, tapos i-click mo yung add new product. The beauty of Atlas AI is you're not starting from a blank screen, right? So, since it is, sa core nito, an AI website builder, what holds so many people back is just getting started. Kaya sobrang helpful to be able not to stare at a blank screen and have a starting point. Hindi naman siya magiging perfect agad, pero again, minibigyan ka niya ng chance na magsimula from a pre-made template. Then you can go in and customize, put your own voice in. Make sure na idagdag mo yung sarili mong images and everything like that. So ngayon, mag-add tayo ng ibang images. Add pa ng isa. Okay. So ayun, magpa-proceed na tayo. Ngayon, next na gusto natin gawin ay piliin yung color presets natin. O parang gusto ko tong soft plain na option. Or kung gusto natin ng mas fitnessy vibe, pwede rin yung green. Pero pwede ka rin pumasok dito sa homepage mismo. I kind of like the soft clay one though. Okay, then pwede na tayong pumunta sa homepage and this is where you can customize everything from the image banner to the subheading, alam mo yon, pati lahat ng bullets. Pwede kang pumasok dito at customize bawat single na bagay and same din with the products. You'll come in here, make everything exactly what you want it to be, and then as soon as you're done, we'll go ahead and click Launch Store. Go ahead and click Publish. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and do Next. Ngayon, tapos na talaga yung website natin. Punta na tayo sa bundle. Tapos gagawa tayo ng bundle. Pwede tayong pumili kahit alin dito sa mga bundle templates. Like buy one, get one 50% off. Alam mo yon, buy two, get one free. Meron tayong buy two, save 10%. So ayun, buy X, get Y. May option din sila for volume discount. Pwede rin yung complete the look. Or pwede rin tayong mag-essential bundle para makasave ng 10% tapos may premium bundle din, di ba? So again, pwede ka rin mag-create from scratch or gumamit ng AI. Pero parang mas gusto ko yung complete the look. Cool. So ngayon, mag-a-add na siya ng isa pang product para talagang makomplete yung look, which is pinili niya yung high-rise leggings since ang original na ginawa natin is yung bra. Cool. So now, what you can do is customize everything else in here. Pwede mong piliin yung all products, pwede rin specific collections, specific products, diba? Ang ganda pa dito, pwede mong palitan yung colors, text, pati yung subscriptions. So all you do is go ahead and click Publish Bundle. Okay, ngayon punta naman tayo sa cart upsells, which is nandito lang siya. As you can see, naka-disable pa yung cart status. So this is where you can come in here and customize everything. So ngayon, yung upsell offer ay isang recommended add-on na lumalabas sa product page or checkout page. So dito mo i-customize lahat yon, yung cart title, yung checkout button, yung empty cart message, pati yung empty cart button. Pwede mong i-customize yung colors dito mismo, pati yung announcement bar, yung shipping protection, at yung subscription upgrades. Tapos, baba naman tayo sa product upsells. Dito, pwede mong ayusin yung upsell title like, you might also like. Tapos, i-click mo yung add button sa taas and then i-configure mo yung upsell products. You can add all products or you can do a specific upsell product as well. Okay. So, that way, pag may mag-check out na, automatic na lalabas yung parang, hey, gusto mo bang i-add to? Sobrang powerful talaga nito. So ngayon, pwede na nating makita yung custom website na ginawa para sa atin. Pwede tayong pumasok dito at i-customize siya as much as gusto natin. We can move things around, we can add things, so it's very powerful. So punta tayo ngayon sa preview shop, tapos add to cart ulit sa catalog. Gusto ko talaga ipakita kung gaano siya kadali gawin, okay? If gusto nating i-add to, i-click lang yung add to cart tapos checkout na. Okay, so pag ready ka na talaga, meron ka na nung bundles mo, meron ka na nung upsells mo, pwede mo na agad i-publish yung store mo. Now, I just wanted to touch on some bonus tips so you can get the most out of the bundles and upsells. So once na live na yung offers mo, ayaw mong doon lang tumigil. Pwede kang gumamit ng ilang smart tweaks para gumanda pa yung conversion nila. So first, you wanna test your bundle titles. Nagbibigay naman ng suggestion si Atlas AI pero try mo rin gumawa ng iba't ibang versions on your own. Halimbawa, Glow Essentials Kit versus yung 3-step skincare routine. Yung pangalan na mas specific at benefit-driven yung dating, mas magpe-perform talaga yan palagi. Next, gusto mong gumamit ng urgency and scarcity sa mga descriptions mo. Mga simpleng lines tulad ng only 25 sets left. This bundle is only available this week. Pwedeng mag-increase ng conversions agad. Siguraduhin mo lang na totoo siya kasi ramdam ng customers pag parang fake yung urgency. Also, gawin mong madaling makita yung bundles mo. I-feature mo sila sa homepage or sa top ng product collections mo kasi hindi naman bibilhin ng tao ang hindi nila nakikita. Atlas AI lets you automatically generate banners or sections that highlight your offers, so use those to your advantage. If nag-offer ka ng upsells, ilagay mo sila ng strategic. The best time to show an upsell is right after someone adds something in their cart or immediately after checkout. Pag nasa buying mindset sila, automatic na ini-integrate ni Atlas AI yung mga placements na yan kaya hindi mo na kailangan i-manually code them. And finally, bantayan mo yung analytics mo. Pwedeng nagpapakita ng conversion metrics si Shopify at si Atlas AI. So, after ng mga 1 or 2 tweaks, i-check mo aling bundles ang pinakamabenta. If may isang bundle na may nag-outperform kaysa sa iba, gamitin mo yung layout or copy nun as your new template moving forward. Yung mga ganitong small, data-driven tweaks, sobrang nakakatulong para mag-evolve yung store mo ng mabilis kahit wala ka pang hinahire na marketing team. Now, let's talk about some of the pros and cons you can decide if Atlas AI is for you. So, ang pinaka-best thing na paggamit ng Atlas AI para sa bundles at upsells is sobrang pinapasimple niya lahat. You don't need a separate Shopify app, complex discount logic, or technical setup. Siya na ang nagsusulat, nagde-design, at nag-i-import ng lahat. Diretso, so gagawin mo na lang is mag-approve, mag-test, at mag-publish. Ang only downside lang nito is kung nagbebenta ka ng highly complex or customizable na products, you might still want to tweak the AI's description to make sure the copy matches your exact materials or variants. Pero most of the sellers, the automation is accurate and saves hours of manual work. At panghuli, bago tayo mag-wrap up, gusto ko lang i-touch ang iba't ibang plans and pricing options. So Atlas AI does have a free plan where you can just generate your store, or you will have to create a free Shopify account and then go ahead and add products. After nun, si AI na ang bahala mag-generate ng buong store mo within a few minutes. Tapos, meron pa rin silang starter plan. So ito yung para sa mga beginner at intermediate dropshippers na gusto lang mas mabilis mag-test ng products gamit yung AI-built stores at revenue-boosting tools. Kasama sa main features yung license use ng Atlas Theme, AI Store Builder na may unlimited store doors, AI Product Page Builder na may unlimited pages, AI Photo Generator na may unlimited photos, pati bundler upsells, quantity breaks, at cart upsells. Tapos pwede kang kumita ng up to 5K na added revenue per month. Meron naman tayong growth plan, pwede kang makasave ng 50% kapag annual yung bayad mo, pero kung hindi, $99 per month siya. So, kailangan mong mag-upgrade sa plan na to dahil may unlimited added revenue sila. Ito yung parang sa mga intermediate at advanced dropshippers na mabilis mag-scale ng stores. So, pwede ka talagang magsimula sa free plan tapos lumipat sa starter plan kapag ready ka na, and then eventually mag-move on sa growth plan. Dapat mo bang gamitin ng Atlas AI para sa bundles and upsells? If you are looking for a simple, no-code way to increase sales, then absolutely, Atlas AI makes what used to take multiple apps and hours of setup takes minutes. Mas konting oras sa pag-configure ng offers, mas maraming oras para mag-focus sa products and marketing. Kahit meron ka na ngayong gumaganang Shopify store, ang pagdagdag ng Atlas AI is sobrang magandang way para i-modernize yung flow mo and siguraduhin optimize pa rin yung mga pages mo para sa conversions. Now, as a personal note, I know how easy it is to overcomplicate upsells and bundles, especially when you're juggling all the other parts of running an online store. Tinatanggal ni Atlas AI yung stress doon at ginagawa niyang something na creative at mabilis, imbis na isang mahaba at technical na task. Hindi mo kailangan maging designer or developer para gumawa ng professional at high-converting na offers. Kailangan mo lang talaga yung tamang tools. If ready ka na magsimula, gumawa ng sarili mong bundles or upsells, siguraduhin mong gamitin yung exclusive link namin sa description para makuha mo yung best price possible. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose our links, thank you so much in advance sa pagsuporta mo sa channel namin. It really helps us continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. Andito ang channel na to para tulungan ang mga e-commerce founders na mag-grow ng mas smart, mabilis, at with less technical overwhelm. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, mag-iwan din kayo ng kahit anong comments or questions sa baba. Gusto naming makarinig ng feedback nyo. Salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video.